Okay guys, how are you? I'm just going to show you some theoretical part of our videos actually communicated through this channel, which is Nota Bene Tech on Tube, and I'm going to share a video which is about data and signal computer science engineering. It is under the NPTEL online program, which is computer networks, and it is IIT Kharagpur. And I'm going to share you some of the in the first part of this video. Obviously the first video will be relative to the definitions and some of the explanation, and in the next video we're going to discuss some other concepts related to this in detail. So that would be probably comprising 2 to 3 videos of the same topic, data and signal. Data refers to information that conveys some meaning based on some mutually agreed up values or conventions between a sender and a receiver, and today it comes in a variety of forms such as which is known as the text, okay, the graphs, audio, video, and animation. What we are doing is obviously a video combination of audio, so that is without any animation, graphics, or text is there, but it is you can say a hardcore text, not the computer generated text. So that is the difference. But data refers to information. So that is why if it is in the form of a video plus audio, which is in our case, so that is refers to the data conveying the information. Okay, and types of data: analog and digital. Analog data take on continuous values on some interval. Typical examples are voice and video. That is what we are doing. That is the analog data. The data that are collected from real world with the help of transducers are continuous valued or analog in nature. On the contrary, digital data take on discrete values. That is the difference between the discrete data and the analog data. Signal: it is electrical, electronic, or optical representation of data which can be sent over a communication medium. That signal is what? It is electrical, electronic, or optical representation of data which can be sent over a communication medium. Obviously, in this case, when we are sending it with the help of the broadband, that would be the communication medium. Stated in mathematical terms, a signal is merely a function of the data. Absolutely right. For example, a microphone converts voice data into voice signal, which can be sent over a pair of wire. Analog signals are continuous valued. Digital signals are discrete values. That is the difference. Analog signals are continuous valued, and digital signals are discrete values. That is in front of you, value with the time. That is analog signal, and you can have the representation in terms of pictorial form as well. So talking ahead, when we're going to represent the digital signal can only have a limited number of defined values, usually 2 values, 0 and 1, as shown in figure. So this is one how we're going to show it. Value t against value, that is the digital signal. Signaling: it is an act of sending signal over communication medium. What signaling is? Signaling is it is an act of sending signal over communication medium. And transmission: communication of data by propagation and processing is known as transmission. So communication of data by propagation and processing is known as transmission. That is how we're going to deal with this. Signaling and transmission are the 2 different terms. So in the next part, in the next video, we're going to discuss some of the other concepts in detail. These actually material is being in the NPTEL, which is the national program for national program and of technology through enhanced learning, and that is why it is actually online material is being available. I have actually converted it into a paper text form, and I'm just converting then again into a video audio form, and without any graphics or without any animation. So this form is normally an analog data which is in the continuous valued, and we have actually it has been with the help of signaling and with the help of using the communication medium, it has been transmitted as well. So this is how we can explain this small bit of the concept, especially applied to our own videos or our own, obviously, the YouTube concept. So just going to deal with the IIT Kharagpur videos related to computer sciences and computer networks. I'll appreciate over the availability of the data by the NPTEL online. So hope to see you with some another interesting concept, obviously related to IIT Kharagpur, and we'll try to cover with the help of numerical section as well, but not right now. You can visit our other channels, which is Introduction to Aerospace Engineering, which is primarily dealing with the aerospace and nautical engineering, and also you can visit our other channel. But right now, these two primary channels are working from the engineering point of view. So I'll appreciate that if you keep watching. Do subscribe, like, and comment. Till then, take care and have a nice day.